Badom TV Badwam Jumadie so yede nyame asese nenso wama de pa ache ebro so se yede Badwam Jumadie no ebro de edi kan wo mu ye Adom kase no ne etodwa wo mu bi a wo bete wo kase no mu head teacher ya woda Adomase MABC school Amefi West mensimu wo Western Region sra ban no pa school no bobre mu ne no enye wo mu hia kade edan na mu kra no ehia sesemu na aboama adesuane adechira koyi efise on tidua se ene esuade ye bekwa akwhwe na eye businessman a wono so ehubon eye ambulance nsensem ni mu no so wogidie pa sa daya wadade no kware ebededi eno ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase a wo share me live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 YouTube ya Adom TV 2 midindi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT said and 70 mo ankasa etie National Road Safety Authority Penia wa fomantamu eye Andira Amproti wadi ato managers animu se woma enwumasua anase nchekere enkoso pa ewo nkwada bambo mu ewe akwantempon ho se be ye betumi aboa mankwanhie sie no aba from Adom TV kase etosui
safety ehia ahafomantem haso ye kanu enkola safety ewo ya kwantimpon so a enye se omu nante kwan ho ano mu twa kwan mu ene omu use buses no kwa motorbikes any tricycles eye bibia eye predominant mode of transport ewo ahafo hase inti ye ka riders no so ehu asem se na enkola no be ye safe se na ye si so si ombeboa ahwe na school buses no omu bedi emra ne so be following up say be ko munchen so na yakoye school bus inspections no
and which we carry to us say Transport Ghana project what they be ebeboa a register commercial vehicles e wo my Ghana mu senti GS mpanifo manenya wade hia so school bus se wo mantem no nyina no obetwere wondin e wo sankrata no emu
National Road Safety Authority Transport Ghana project ye danedi eno nti ye be register commercial vehicle entities and as service providers no eno so eye bibia sisosi be boaye in the area of school buses no whether it's private basic schools or the secondary schools no or buses no omo ebedi mu akotene in the registration.
Head teacher ya wada Adomase MABC school wa Amefi West mensimu wa toye mantemu ya Christopher Gary wode to abana nimpa se won school dan ne de nyame animu ni nkoye nti nuase no won mo atie ne nsuo tutu ekura de ne omo wa huhia mu pa wotere sa aban ne mpanifo bia ne enyumaku a wonsem obie emeso wase
high school beka said dance and club yi during the COVID era no from aka sie bi a boy eastern from a boy na ekudan from akoma kunsia ekuye nti class KG1 KG2 and class 1 class 4 5 and 6 ni nyina so epai ti bras branch of base afi ba ko ne san ba e no e ho ba kire pa ti ema yibetumi an se nkara no eromegu nuase ti class makoma 9 na wo nuase wa we na dako Mr. Lord the current MC Ochemna the situation of the yes so na the first one we ba no na community no so the country bi ase alle foundation for 3 classrooms o mo ahase a mo eyo no so mo ahase bi se dia no no so beboa kremnie ono so ye bi fa cement iron rods and chance ni mi akwampa e pa e kwapo no ti ofa anka the board Damian saso I wo say ho na the IGSS na kremnie o man na ye bi assembly so ye bi MC ono so boy but still like the training just one year say bi na ba to see ni tempera ko good yasi the class ye woni yasi still like here additional classroom back and popata kwampo we bama ya
Mayentu akasiano so na Franka tuni de man PP amanyoko ye Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Baumia nene wode atu dwase ehu behia sensore ene aban tenase ne yetimi wie National Cathedral no Adom TV etwaso.
The question on the National Cathedral is a very important one. The National Cathedral, I have contributed to its construction personally. I believe it's a very important thing for Ghana. But I think that as it stands now, the church has to come together and government and let us sit down and talk about the way forward for the National Cathedral. The church should come together and let us know the best way forward, how we can even get private resources to help us to complete the cathedral. But I think it is possible. We should not say it is not possible. Let us all sit back together and figure out the way forward on how to complete this cathedral. I think if we all come together, we'll figure it out. I really believe so. So I want us to come together and sit down and see the best way forward to generate the resources to complete, because we can't leave it where it is.
Founder and leader, Movement for Change, Uralan Kojichir Martin, or the Togana Fonina, want to obey ye anymore, say, Edani drew not one quack to a banwa, one obia, wo a new memosa by one crown cream or bonnet homo pa, nor do to say or no. Now we're in this in MPP, 182 franca, ye will be ye be paying your near on my. A brand was for Sagana for so honor, no to me do or make anymore. We could share, could for your technical university. A school phone won't in common or the San Semi etuja.
If you are auditing our records, not in politics, outside politics and inside politics, if you are auditing our records, between myself, my brother John Mahama, and then Vice President Badwam, there will be no challenge. Allah will be your. Please don't be deceived. You are looking for somebody who has a proven and demonstrated record of performance. Please, it is not politics that made Allah.
And to our lunch, a mantinia coboye a wepuya mantem mono. And you on one will call a nemum, one in painophobia, one Adom Nukuno, and a one equoye, and one edin kind call. New job in traditional area Ekochia, da Sebreko Kubuatin, and Sana, one etua, one mujumedie so. Na brand workers will interview mu, ewo radio station, one echo honomono, we in Sembisebiano.
Now, the only way we to me are correcting is say, unya more dollars at the bus system. So when you more dollars in the bus system, now it's a fee dollar in the HSC, you know. Tonight, say, Nippon $5 yashi. And just bus happy, not just a city night day, not more day ever. Now, we to me, and more dollars. I'm a dollar now be changes city.
Accra High Court, I said that ya wada ye see Juno, one ever na fe, one more a day, Atemwaba, Efa Cane, so for no share, Sikasam, some swabby, Dr. Ato Forsen, eho. Na ninyina mu no ora Richard Japa ya wono ya boni dini ewo mu a ehun sama aye bebre no de owo gidie pa ne arehyimu se de binu ano beye yie Adom TV kase ekọ ho to so.
Mr. Godfrey Adom, the Attorney General, against whom all these testimonies have been given, these pieces of evidence have been given in depositions contained in affidavits before the courts. These are sworn statements that Mr. Jakpa, for example, has indicated his willingness to testify to and to be cross-examined upon. And you would have expected this Attorney General to have sworn an affidavit and opposed, dispute or deny these averments or assertions by Mr. Jakpa and Dr. Ato Forsen. But very strangely, he decided to abscond again.
On the nature, no Attorney General Godfrey Adom and Chef because I was out to gather Zorkodi Nara or Imida Yankopon, Obezi Nasa Mama.
All I can say is that the Lord does not delight in the pleasure of the wicked. And that even though they've laid traps for me, I will flee from them. The righteousness will always prevail over evil. Thank you very much.
Yami Aduma, Yauda Denny, na court batna Samnodo, Nankrata was Bogu Nenimo, Mwaya or Wobiano, Ozibotuga, Yama Samnosa. Assembly
was ansem we mu no businessman or no shini dia PMO ya Richard Japa was wo gidie pa se da ya wada de atentene ne ebeye dwuma
court and come and refute the allegations and then set aside the record according to his opinion straight, the way he thinks it's supposed to be. I have done mine in court. So I'm expecting him to come and do this.
Do you
is in court, not in public opinion. And this issue is personally between he and I. Well, they are claiming it's a doctor tape. I didn't say that. So they should bring the original. They should tell the original to court. My lawyer knows his strategy, and he understands the court processes more than I do. So he's doing what is required by him. He has got his own strategy, and I cannot dictate to him his strategy.
So at the end of the day, you expect that you're going to walk?
Well, there must be justice, and I'm here seeking for justice.
So justice, anything other than you walking free will be injustice?
I cannot decide that I'm walking free. It is her ladyship who will decide based upon the evidence I used before her. The evidence will lead to that. And I know she's going to hold fidelity to the law. And that's what is expected.
Yenye no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pay ye de asi aseda no ye wodia emre ne adaje wo kwade Awurade nhwe osomfa nkomra somdwem nemum kwaso ada ne yentna wo Facebook/Adom TV Extra na se YouTube ya Adom TV 2 dwumadie no afei kura ne ye toato so ne ne aka ye kwa ba ne ye ba se de bonkrata ene online stories tie no ye de atoaso